Hey there, I'm Kirill Pletmintsev and I've got an electrifying tale about my semester exchange adventure at lovely professional university as an international student from Financial University under the government of Russian Federation, Russia. Picture this, I arrive at the campus gates, heart pounding with excitement, and bam! I'm hit with an explosion of energy that screams, "Welcome home!" From that moment on, it was like stepping into a vibrant tapestry of culture, knowledge and pure joy. The faculty aren't just educators. They are dream weavers, knowledge ninjas and all-around superstars. Lovely professional university isn't about just hitting the books. It is melting pot of the global talent, where I met spirits from every corner of the planet. We laughed, we learned and we grew into a tight-knit family. So here's to lovely professional university, the place where dreams take flight. Friendships know no borders and every day is an adventure waiting to happen. Thanks for the memories, the laughter and the lessons that will last a lifetime.